Can the stomach lining repair itself after a gastric ulcer? Imagine your stomach as a busy, protective fortress that's constantly battling harsh acids and other threats. When a gastric ulcer forms, it's like a breach in the fortress walls, creating a sore in the stomach lining. The good news is that your stomach has a remarkable ability to repair itself, but how well it does depends on several factors. The stomach lining is made up of specialized cells that produce mucus, which acts as a protective barrier against the stomach's own acid. When an ulcer occurs, this balance between harmful factors like excess acid, infection with bacteria called Helicobacter pylori, and protective mechanisms gets upset. The body responds by activating its natural healing processes, which involve regenerating new mucosal cells and restoring the barrier. Healing usually begins quickly once the cause is addressed. For example, medications called proton pump inhibitors or H2 blockers reduce acid production, creating a safer environment for healing. If Helicobacter pylori infection is present, doctors often prescribe antibiotics to eliminate the bacteria, which helps the ulcer heal faster. Most ulcers tend to heal within 4 to 8 weeks with proper treatment. However, healing isn't always straightforward. Sometimes the repair process can be slow, especially if the ulcer is large or if there are ongoing irritants like smoking, alcohol, or continued use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. In some cases, the mucosa may undergo changes called gastric metaplasia, which can prevent full healing and increase the risk of future ulcers. The stomach's ability to repair itself relies on healthy blood flow and the presence of growth factors that promote cell regeneration. If these are compromised, healing can be delayed or incomplete. That's why medical treatment is essential. It not only reduces acid but also helps eliminate factors that hinder healing. Most importantly, addressing the underlying cause and avoiding irritants can allow the stomach lining to recover effectively. In summary, yes, the stomach lining can repair itself after a gastric ulcer, especially when the right medical treatments are used and the causes are managed. The process involves natural regenerative mechanisms that can restore the mucosa, but it may take time and depends on individual health and circumstances. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and proper management to ensure healing and prevent future ulcers.